I just changed my headlights last night and it was super dark. Don't know why I did it, I just felt like it. But I didn't film the process, it was kind of a pain in the ass. I had to do some stuff to make them work, but they are JDM STI headlights. Clear, without the ambers, which I'm super happy about. Cleans up the front end, and today, that's actually what we're working on. Here, there's quite a bit of gap. It should be sitting quite a lot further up. What I'm gonna do is take the bumper off, and I'm gonna put a pool noodle on my crash bar, just to kind of push it up a bit, because there is no support there, and it's sitting low, it's dangling down. I also would like to paint my hella horns black, because I think the red stands out too much. I'm also gonna clean my air filter, so let's get to it. Sorry for the lights, kind of flickery, kind of annoying. This is what it looks like under my bumper. I don't think you guys have ever seen this, but we've got a custom chromoly crash bar here. We're gonna wrap some pool noodle around this, and hopefully I can make my bumper less saggy. Oh, also paint these black. It's looking a little dirty. I'm pretty sure that was red. Okay, so I believe it was red when I did buy it, but that's not dirt. I think that's just like the red coating in the filter's off now. It probably just wears over time and becomes dirtier looking, but it definitely had dirt in it, and I got the majority of it off. I'm gonna let this dry while I keep working on the car. All right. After numerous attempts of trying to make this pool noodle thing work, I think I figured it out. Got the bumper here, and I put the noodle in the middle, which makes the most sense. I should have done that from the beginning, but I started putting it on the sides. It was lifting this piece outwards, which is obviously not what you want for fitment, but now it should at least sit a little higher, which I'm happy about. But it won't be perfect, but it'll help a lot with just the bumper even waving around when I'm driving. So this pipe here, that's actually hitting the subframe. That pipe is kind of right next to the header. A cloth or a piece of paper towel or foam or something might not be such a great idea, since it might melt, but I do have one thing that will work for sure. This is a Vibra Performance acoustic shielding, which I just have 3 sheets of. It's got an adhesive backing, as you can see, but it's also heat shielding at the same time, and it's super thick, so it'll actually dampen. It's like squishy. It's almost squishy, but it'll dampen that pipe hitting the thing, and it's actually heat resistant. All right, so I have my square. That's like way better. So yeah, this will actually work very well. As easy as that, check that out. Trem clad flat black. That will dry and look super stealth. So I fit up the bumper. It's hard to see from here, but it's much better. The gap is way better. On this light, it's a little funky. The light doesn't actually have the clips required here, so the bumper's not sitting fully properly, but as you can see on this side, much more flush. Hella horns are painted, super stealth, nice and flat black. The bumper itself is actually much more stable. It doesn't flop around. That's super nice. That's gonna wrap it up for the garage, so I'm gonna put it on the ground and call it a night. The next video you see will probably be next week. Not sure what it'll be yet, but this has been just like a really all over the place DIY session of kind of fixing small issues on the car. Alright, so that's it for tonight. I'm not gonna go for a drive. It's very humid out. I will have a POV video coming out shortly anyway, because I got some half throttle pulls to do. You guys can hear that wastegate a little bit. The bumper is raised finally. Got the new JDM lights on, and those hella horns are blacked. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.